Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merge, Nor seasoning mix o tinatawag niyo sinigang mix. Sa Nor sinigang mix, meron tayong sampalok mix original. Net weight 22 grams. Unilever po yan. Original sampalok mix. Yan. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang sa sampalok mix original gawa sa tunay na sampalok. Tamarind soap mix, available for $44 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang sa sampalok mix original. Net weight po 11 grams. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang na isda recipe mix. Net weight niya 11 grams. Gawa sa tunay na sampalok. No added preservatives. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang sampalok mix, Gabi. Net weight niya 11 grams. Yan. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang sampalok mix, Gabi. Net weight niya po 22 grams. Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano-ano mga Unilever Company merch. Yung Nor sinigang mix, isa lang po yun sa mga Unilever Company merch. Para sa hindi pa nakakalam kung ano-ano mga Unilever Company merch. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang sampalok mix original gawa sa tunay na sampalok. Net weight niya po 44 grams. Makes 2 liter for 16 servings. No added po yan ng preservative. Good source of vitamin C. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Nor sinigang sa sampalok mix, Gabi. Gawa sa tunay na sampalok, Gabi, kamatis at spices. Available po siya sa net weight niya 44 grams. Makes 2 liter for 15 servings. No added preservatives. Unilever po yan. Manufactured by Unilever Philippines Incorporated, Gateway, Business Park, General Trias, Cavite. Product of the Philippines. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch, Nor Sinigang Mix Sampalok. Yung Nor Sampalok Mix Original, review natin. Nor Sampalok Mix Gabi. Nor Sinigang Mix na isda. That's it for today's Unilever Company merch, Nor Sinigang Mix. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. At updated ka para sa mga Unilever Company merch video ko. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you.